Hi everyone. In this video we will set up the score system. Let's create our coin object, which we will pick up in the scene. We will add the collider on parent object. Assign material to your object. Adjust the collider as your need. Now we will prepare the player for collision. For this object, we will add one main collider on parent object. Adjust the collider. One important thing to remember in order to detect collision, make sure one of your object has a rigid body component attached. Here we don't need the gravity, so let's uncheck this option. Assign your player a player tag. For coin object, create a new tag and assign it to coin object. Make sure to turn on is trigger option. We want the player card to go through this object. Let's make prefab of this object and add our logic. Open the prefab. Add the Playmaker FSM component. Edit the FSM component and add this global transition event for trigger. Now we need to grab the trigger info and store it in variable. Which object Gore detected? Now here we will check the game object tag which was picked. Here we are looking for player tag to proceed to the next state. Add the add score action and set it to coin. Also set your desired amount. I will create a variable for amount so we can adjust it in the editor. Set default value to 10 and mark this variable as input so we can access it in the editor. Let's also remove this object after we picked it up. Now test your logic and see if it's working or not. Great, it's working. Now let's add some coins in our level so we can collect them. Let's see how we can display our collected coin score. Create the TextMesh Pro UI object and adjust its position and other settings as you like. Add the display score component and set the option to current coins. Now play your game and test. As you can see the score getting updated in real time. Let's animate the coin rotation. Add the rotate action to your start state and adjust the rotation speed for y-axis. As you can see, my road is looking different. Here I am using the Custom Curve World shader, which is part of our custom package. I will make a separate video on that, how to set up and use it. That's it for now. If you have any question or custom action request, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.